Hi everyone, my name is Alexey. Welcome to Training Every Week School, where I speak about principle how trade in profit, how be more profitable in market, and before lection I explain what you should do for trade in plus every time be in plus. And today I want speak about four question would help you be more disciplined and work with your algorithm. It's a very important question what we have to use every time when we open position. First question, and doesn't matter what time frame you trade, doesn't matter what system you trade, doesn't matter what instrument you trade. This question is important every time in every deal. First question is what price for open position. Second, what price for put our stop loss. Third, price where we will receive profit, where we will take on profit take on our position. And last four is what size should be on this trade. And in first question we just understanding what price should be for put it in our trade platform. And on second question we put we should understood where will our stop loss, where price will go against to us, and we should run away from this instrument, from this deal, because they going against us. And very important have in your trade algorithm, trade system description for how it should be, where you should put your stop loss and where it will more with your rule more right in this deal. And when you have this price, you see it, you go to first questions. It's where will your take. Your take is so important like your stop. Price to enter is not important. Price for take profit and stop loss is the important thing what you should know, because stop is your risk on deal, and take profit is your potential profit what you can receive. And if you you receive price, you see on your trade algorithm should be description for take profit too. And if you saw my before video, I all the time fix part of position on guaranteed profit, because it's that what this formation give for me. Yes, price can go more higher, okay, I will take more higher part of position, but guaranteed is guaranteed. And when we have it, we have stop loss, we have price to enter, we have price to take profit. We can see our risk, we can see what risk money management in our deal is normal or not. For example, maybe you have to deal $100 $200 for one deal risk, and if real stop more higher than your risk, you can take this position. And or if stop more or less than you have risk on this position, you can go to for question is what size take. If your size in position was one contract and risk to position 200, and now risk in new position in new formation is 100 not 200, you can take double size and be on that risk what you have on your rule, you use it. And but size you can be you can put more higher than take usually, and it's help you be all the time in risk, because all what you can take, what you can fix, it's your risk. Will profit not, you don't know, but risk is that what you can take in control. You can be more disciplined when you, before you deal, like in business, before you deal, you have answer for these 4 questions, and before you deal you can make a plan for trade. And when you inside the deal in position, you don't need think about some new idea or not. You have plan and you can work in this plan. How it look like on example, I will show you now. Go to example. This is gold, and this is my trade platform Wolfix, and here I trade. And for example, first what we have to understand, price where we open position, and very important, use trade algorithm where you have description for your formation. Without trade algorithm you will not receive any progress in trading, and one times you lose all. And better if you doesn't have any algorithm, you should make it, and after that start trade. Okay, it's my trade now, I in position, and what in my algorithm I understood. When price was here, I told for myself, okay, my point for open position here. My stop should be somewhere here, for example. And I put this, my take profit will here. And now look, I have this situation here when price not on my order, it's more higher now, but I am waiting this price. I put my limit order before deal. I am understood what I want to receive from this position, and I put all this limit order, buy limit order here, stop limit order here, and take profit here for part position. If you saw my before video, I closed part of position on guaranteed take and second position on real big take. And here look, after that price, and what I have understanding what is risk, what is risk reward on this position. It's very interesting risk reward. It's very interesting take this risk for receive minus, because I can receive this profit. It's more higher, maybe 5 or 7 times. And after that I sit in position. I receive my limit order and sit inside this position. And size, okay, if on my position I have risk on deal $115 by one contract, but I have $500 for deal. Here was 2,500 for position, and I can take here just 2 contract, and I took just 2 contract. It's not big size, but it's on my deal, it's on my trade algorithm, and this in plus. When it will more or less, I will take more contract. Thank you for watching me. If you don't understand something, you can write on me on comments, and I will try explain to you more. Subscribe to me, we will make more interesting video, and I will show you that how I trade and what I use for profitable trade. Thank you for watching me. See you.